100 and
welcome back to my
greet you. She picks up your golf ball.
What was my status here? So you
I thought you retired. But you're probably going to need a job to pay for child support and the divorce. So I had a celebrity sighting in New York, West Village.
Actor, musician, you want to give that?
I think she's a mom, just a mom. I don't know if she's an actor. She does not like to